Transform your garden into a serene Zen retreat with elements like bamboo screens, meditation stones, and a soothing water feature. This tranquil space will become your personal sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. Today, we will discuss about Weekend Wonder, 10 ideas to craft stunning gardens and transform your outdoor space. Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we're diving into the wonderful world of outdoor transformations. If you're looking to spruce up your outdoor space and turn it into a stunning sanctuary, you're in the right place. Today, we're bringing you 10 fantastic ideas to ignite your creativity and breathe new life into your garden. So grab your spade and let's dig in. Idea number 1. Create a cozy corner. Start by designating a cozy corner in your garden where you can unwind and relax. Add a comfortable bench, some throw pillows, and perhaps a small table for your morning coffee. This little oasis will become your go-to spot for peaceful moments outdoors. Idea number 2. Add a splash of color. Inject some vibrancy into your garden by planting flowers in a variety of hues. Whether you prefer bold and bright or soft and subtle, colorful blooms will instantly lift the mood of your outdoor space. Idea number 3. Introduce texture with potted plants. Mix things up by incorporating different textures through potted plants. Opt for a variety of shapes, sizes, and foliage to create visual interest and depth in your garden. Idea number 4. Install a water feature. There's something truly mesmerizing about the sound of flowing water. Install a small fountain or a bubbling pond to add a sense of tranquility to your garden. Idea number 5. Create a vertical garden. Short on space? No problem. Vertical gardens are a fantastic way to maximize your greenery without taking up valuable ground space. Install trellises or wall-mounted planters and let your plants climb to new heights. Idea number 6. Illuminate with outdoor lighting. Extend the enjoyment of your garden into the evening hours with strategic outdoor lighting. From string lights to lanterns to solar-powered path lights, there are endless options to illuminate your space and create ambience. Idea number 7. Build a DIY fire pit. Turn your garden into a cozy gathering spot with a DIY fire pit. Whether it's for roasting marshmallows with the family or enjoying a romantic evening under the stars, a fire pit adds warmth and charm to any outdoor space. Idea number 8. Incorporate natural elements. Embrace the beauty of nature by incorporating natural elements into your garden design. Think rustic wooden benches, stone pathways, and driftwood sculptures to add a touch of organic charm. Idea number 9. Create a herb garden. Elevate your culinary game by growing your own herbs right in your garden. Not only will you have fresh herbs at your fingertips, but a herb garden also adds fragrance and visual appeal to your outdoor space. Idea number 10. Design a Zen retreat. Transform your garden into a serene Zen retreat with elements like bamboo screens, meditation stones, and a soothing water feature. This tranquil space will become your personal sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. And there you have it, folks. 10 ideas to help you craft stunning gardens and transform your outdoor space into a true weekend wonder. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie with a green thumb, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. But hey, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and tricks to elevate your outdoor living experience. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and be sure to share it with your friends who could use a little garden inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening, and thank you for watching.